Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb ليغادر to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. فعل أمر commandment. فعل أمر commandment. We are going to learn how to instruct others in Arabic using different forms of verbs. The question is, how do we change the verb ليغادر to suit the pronouns below? ليغادر simply means he should leave. He in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of here, she. So how do we now change the verb ليغادر to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one. Ana, I. So how do we change the verb ليغادر to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach alifun. So the verb ليغادر will now become لأغادر, which means I should leave. Ithnan, number two. Nahnu, we. So how do we change the verb ليغادر to suit nahanu? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach nunun. So the verb ليغادر will now become لنغادر, which means we should leave. Thalatha, number three. Anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb ليغادر to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach lamun and yaun. So the verb ليغادر will now become غادر, which means you should leave. Arba'a, number four. Anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb ليغادر to suit anti? The same principle is applicable. However, we are going to attach yaun to the last letter. Remember, once yaun is attached, the letter before it must take kasra, as we know that yaun is the mother of kasra in Arabic. So the verb ليغادر will now become غادري, which means you should leave, talking to a single female person. Hamsa, number five. Here, she. So how do we change the verb ليغادر to suit here? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach ta'un. So the verb ليغادر will now become لتغادر, which means she should leave. Remember, we use ta'un to talk about a single female person and yaun to talk about a single male person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mufradun, singular. Muthanna, dual. Jamu, plural. Mufrad, singular. This is a word in Arabic that means only one. Muthanna, dual. This is a word in Arabic that means only two. Jamu, plural. This is a word in Arabic that means more than two, from three upward. A plurality in Arabic starts from three upward, unlike English, where it starts from two upward. Then we talk about mudhakkar. Mudhakkarun, masculine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a male person or a male object. Just like the verb غادر can only be used to command a single male person to leave. If they are two, so all you need to do, you attach alifun to the last letter. So the verb غادر will now become غادرة. Once alifun is attached, the letter before it must take fataha, as we know that the alifun is the mother of kasra in Arabic. So the verb غادر will now become غادرة, which means you should both leave. In case they are more than two, so you attach wawun to the last letter. Remember, once wawun is attached, the letter before it must take dhamma, as we know that wawun is the mother of dhamma in Arabic. So the verb غادر will now become غادر, which means you should all leave, commanding a group of male persons. So you may ask me, the alifun written there after the waw, what is it doing there? So The alifun is only telling you that the wawun written before me is not part of the verb. Rather, it is an extra letter. Lalaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. So mu'annathun, feminine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a female person or a female object. It's just like the verb godiri can only be used to command a single female person to live. So if there are two, you use the same form of the verb. Godira, you should both live. If there are more than two, so you go and replace ya'un in godiri with nunun carrying fataha, then you give sukun to the letter before it. The verb godiri will now become godirna, which means you all live, commanding a group of female persons. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-istimal, now the usage. Wahid, number one. ليغادر خالد القرية. ليغادر خالد القرية. ليغادر خالد القرية. Khalid should leave the village. Ithnan, number two. لتغادر زينب المدينة. لتغادر زينب المدينة. Zainab should leave the city. ثلاثة, number three. غادر المدرسة في هذه الدورة يا أخي. غادر المدرسة في هذه الدورة يا أخي. غادر المدرسة, leave the school. في هذه الدورة, by this time. يا أخي, my brother. غادر المدرسة, you should leave the school. في هذه الدورة, by this time. يا أخي, my brother. أربعة, number four. غادري الجامعة في دورة قادمة يا أختي. غادري الجامعة في دورة القادمة يا أختي. غادري الجامعة, leave the university. في دورة القادمة, by next semester. يا أختي, my sister. غادري الجامعة, leave the university. في دورة القادمة, by next semester. يا أختي, my sister. خمسة, number five. غادروا المعهد في دورة المقبلة. غادروا المعهد في دورة المقبلة. غادروا المعهد, you should both leave the college. في دورة المقبلة, by next term. MashaAllah, by next term. غادري المعهد, you should both leave the college. في دورة المقبلة, by next term. لعلك فهمت? Talking to Hashim and Khalid. MashaAllah. ستة, number six. غادروا الكلية. غادروا الكلية بعد الأسبوعين يا إخوة. غادروا الكلية بعد الأسبوعين يا إخوة. غادروا الكلية or غادروا الكلية, you should all leave the institute. بعد الأسبوعين, in 2 weeks to come. يا إخوة, brothers. غادروا الكلية, you should all leave the institute. بعد الأسبوعين, in 2 weeks to come. يا إخوة, brothers. سبعة, number seven. غادرنا نيجيريا بعد شهرين يا أخوات. غادرنا نيجيريا بعد شهرين يا أخوات. غادرنا نيجيريا, you should all leave Nigeria. بعد شهرين, in 2 months to come. يا أخوات, sisters. غادرنا نيجيريا, you should all leave Nigeria. بعد شهرين, in 2 months to come. يا أخوات, sisters. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.